Insert the driver's seat cover from the headrest position. Zip up. Put on the headrest cover and snap on with buckle. Attach the hinges 1 or 2 turns of elastic around it. Tuck the hinges into the seat gap and secure it in the back. Attach the hooks to fix the bottom. Front seat cover display. Install the rear backrest and take out seat belt, left same. Fasten tightly and insert the hinges to the seat gap, left same. Connect the armrest Velcro pad to the left and right backrest. Install the middle headgear. Fasten tightly and insert the hinges to the seat gap, left same. Insert the other fixed buckle to seat gap, left same. Install middle base cover. Rear seat cover display.